If you sell on Spoonflower and you're looking for ways to drive traffic to your listings, Pinterest is a great way to reach an e-commerce audience. You can do that by using Pinterest idea pins and tagging your products on Spoonflower. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Now, if you're new to idea pins and you don't know how to create idea pins, check out the link in the description to my video on using a free resource called Canva. Now, let's dive into creating idea pins for Spoonflower. So I've got my mobile device open and I also have the website open with the URLs. Now, of course, if you're doing this all on a mobile device, which if you're going to tag products, you need to use a mobile device. I recommend having the list of the URLs and then having your idea pin already created. So I have my idea pins, and what I did was I did images. So I'm going to click idea pin. Here they all are. You can go whatever order you want. I'm going to have 6 of them. All I did was use screenshots for these, by the way, and this is part of a Canva template. So I'm just going to select all 6 of these, and then I'm going to say next. And then I'm going to go into each one of these. I'm going to go into this page. I'm going to hit stickers. I'm going to hit product. I'm going to find the sheet set, which is right here. I'm going to copy that, use a link, type in the link, enter, wait, and then you can pick any of the images on here. And what this is doing is it's creating a pin specifically going to this page. So you're actually tagging another pin is what you're doing. Now, because this is my design, so I'm going to click this just to be on the safe side. I'm going to hit create. Now this pops up, you can color this, you can change things. I'm going to leave it, I made mine specifically dark so I didn't have to deal with that. So I'm going to hit done and I'm going to move it down. And you can see I already had this set up so it's pointing straight to it. Now I'm going to go back to 6 pages and I'm going to go to the next page, which is hard to do on the computer and very hard to do on the computer. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Okay, I'm going to do that for all of these pages and then I'm going to come back. I've included the tag to the appropriate page on it. So you can see that each one of these is complete. And I'm going to say next. And I'm just going to follow this, right? Add a title is optional, though the more information you provide Pinterest, the better you are at getting found. So in this case, it depends on your audience and what you're doing, but I might put in the details. So I'm going to put in purple galaxy with pink stars, home decor items, as most of them are, right? And we don't need to worry about any of this. We're going to pick a board. I'm just going to put it on gift ideas. That's what I have right there. You can publish it now or schedule it. That's new, by the way. That's newer. That's something that last time I did videos on this, they didn't have. So I was kind of neat to see that. So you can schedule out idea pins, which is really neat. Now, normally you can tag related topics, but in this case, I can't find any topics that auto-populate. So I'm going to skip it, but you could come in here and you could type in, you can search in different topics and find things and tag it. So in the advanced settings, even though we said that we are going to be paid by this, we don't have a paid partnership. So we don't need to worry about this, right? So now we can publish. I'm just going to go ahead and publish immediately rather than schedule a date so you can see it, right? So I'm going to publish that. And now you can see when somebody clicks on that, it actually goes to a pin that is specifically to Spoonflower. So now they will go visit and it will go to the listing for that particular product. So there you go. That's how you can promote your Spoonflower products using Pinterest idea pins. If you'd like to see more like this, check the links in the description below to additional videos. And if you want to know when more videos like this come out, subscribe. Thanks for watching.